Hi again, it's ApriLynn, and today we are going to be testing out the Scrunch It Brush Small Clumps. I've used the Scrunch It brush. This is one I have for large clumps, and now we're going to do the small clumps and see how it looks. So this is the difference. It has these like teeth at the bottom. You can get the teeth with little comfort ball thingies or none. So the difference is obviously the teeth at the bottom here, but this one has teeth and bristles. This one has just the bristles and then the teeth. So we're gonna try out this and see how it looks. If you want, after this I could do a comparison to see if there's a huge difference. We are gonna be using Olaplex number 7 oil, Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner, Jamaican black castor oil, Strengthen and Restore, my favorite, curl putty, and gel, avocado gel. I'm gonna put all the products in my hair and then use a normal brush to brush it through so that the products distributed evenly, and then we'll use the brush. First I'm going to put on the oil. The only thing I don't like about this oil, not the oil, the case or the bottle, it doesn't come out very easily. If you can hear the wind, can you hear that? It's so loud. It's very windy out. Next, leave-in conditioner. My house is creaking. My apartment. Jeez. Okay, anyways. Leave-in conditioner. Curl putty. I'm gonna brush my hair now and after I add the gel, because the gel is so sticky. Get all the cream products. Evenly distributed. My hair is getting really long. You can't even see it. But it shrinks up a bunch. And gel. It smells good. I'm very intrigued. I feel like this might be a little difficult to get used to. So you brush from underneath. This section is too big. This is gonna take a while. Brush from underneath and then you twist, keeping your hair in both bristles or both teeth. Oh, that wasn't too hard. And then keep going. It just seems like I'm gonna have to take a million sections, which is fine. think it's easier if I hold the ends so they stay. Beautiful. I like to twist the sections that I'm working on so they stay away from the sections I already did, so I don't get confused. Okay. Twist. I'm just holding the ends back so that they stay in both teeth. Voila! I'm very intrigued to see how this looks dried. It does have like a party thingy, but I like to use my fingers because then I can feel what's going on. Ooh. If you're wondering why I'm brushing quickly through and then doing it, it's to make sure all the hairs are not snarly and smooth enough to get the brush through once while doing the technique. If that makes sense. It's a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like super complicated to figure out for some reason. Because there's two teeth, I guess.
Denim jeans, broken dreams in my pocket. Golden thing round my neck like a locket. Carve your name in my mind, cause you caught it. You caught it.
This side's a little bit harder to get used to. Why is it always, everything's always difficult on the other side? Like painting your nails and curling your hair.
You're golden, golden, honestly you know it. Me under the street light at the so I could show you. You're golden, golden, honestly you're glowing. Me under the mezzanine just so that I could show you. You're golden, yeah, you're golden. You're golden, yeah, you're golden, golden, yeah.
Oh, it's the bangs gonna be hard? I don't know.
When we meet, hold my hand.
Easy.
The darkness, summer heat, bodies laid on the carpet. Eye to eye, glistening. No, I saw it. I saw it. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Me under the street light at the so I could show you. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you're
Yeah, Yeah, the shorter hair is a lot easier. Don't have to maneuver as much.
Hey, you're golden. You're golden. Hey, you're golden. Golden. You're golden. Yeah, you're golden.
Okay. This is what she looks like. Just done. Now I just gotta wait for it to dry. I'm very excited. Ah! Okay, I'll see you when it's dry. Here's the finished dry look. Look at all these tiny little baby curly cues. Oh, yeah. Look at it. It's so tiny. I like it a lot. It reminds me of my red rod perms. It's so cute. See what the back looks like. Did it look good? I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So this is the brush, as you saw. I decided within the next few videos I am going to do a comparison of these two. And I'm very excited to see the difference. So what do you think? I love it. It looks so cute. Curly, curly, curly. So, this is the finished result and the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. I loved how it turned out. I'm definitely gonna be using this every once in a while. I just have so many new styles I can try on my, or I can do on my hair now. I love it. The girls just turned out so tiny cuteness. Tiny cuteness. Look at this guy. Okay. See you later, Gator. Bye 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 bye.